at the door. Now this house feels hollow, like you were never here before. There's dust on your picture, a cold breeze on the floor, and every heartbeat reminds me you don't love me anymore. I hear your footsteps in my memory, but they don't echo in these halls. I keep reaching out and